Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into the SQL cast function. The SQL cast function is one that we've looked at in previous videos, but today I'm going to be going through a PostgreSQL example. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the amount column from the payment table that I have here, and what I'm going to do is give it an alias of original. There we are. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast it as two different data types. So for the first cast, I'm going to cast amount as an integer. And then again, I'm going to provide it an alias of integer value so we can see the difference between the casted value and the original one. Next, I'm going to cast the same column, amount, as a varchar, and I'm going to give it an alias again, varchar value, and this should now return the three different data types. There we are. So as we can see here, the original column appears to have been a decimal data type, and for that first column we've got 799 as the value, and once casting it to an integer, that's now rounded it over to 8. And then for the varchar conversion, it's also still 799, but essentially it'll just have the single quotes as it's now a varchar data type, which is quite similar to a string essentially. But yeah, this is a highly useful function to use within SQL. It's one that you might need to use for a particular use case that you might have. And yeah, I'd highly recommend using it when required. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.